How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. As you can see, I can't receive a message from other side. Let's fix it. Go back to the home screen. Then remove Instagram from recent apps. Then go to settings. Scroll down and tap on apps. Then search Instagram. First tap on Force Stop. Then go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Then open Play Store and search Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If you shown here update button, please update the app. That's it. If found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.